gachas, so bright and bold. Little capsules of joy, a story unfold. Pop them open, what you gonna find? A cute little toy, gonna blow your mind. From Tokyo to Osaka, gachas aplenty. Capsule collectors, join the frenzy. Plastic wonders, so small and neat. Each one unique, a collector's feat. Capsule collector spinning round, round, round. Round my bag of tokens gonna hit the ground, ground, ground. Give me all those gachas, gotta catch 'em all. In this colorful world of toys, I stand tall, 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 tall. Unboxing in Japan, let me show you what I found. A Gacha capsule spinning round, surprises all around. Collecting cute and rare, it's like a treasure hunt. Every pull a thrill, yeah. Let's see what we've won. Unwrapping all the joy, it's a game within a game. Gacha fever rising up, can't resist the fame. From anime characters to kawaii little toys. Gacha is the magic that brings us endless joys. Fevers, open up, watch them bounce. Japanese capsules full of surprise. Gacha fever hits you right in the eyes. Gacha fever hits you right in the eyes. Walking down the street with a skip in my beat. Got my gacha capsule in my hand, feeling super neat. Open it up, what's inside? Can't wait to see. A little toy surprise, it's pure ecstasy. Gacha fever, it's a thrill I can't resist. Gotta catch 'em all, like a treasure hunter in the mist. Spinning that colorful wheel, every little toy I get a joyful squeal. Making videos of my gacha loot, sharing with the world, it's a social pursuit. From cute little characters to outfits so divine, gacha life is a world of endless designs. In the land of rising sun where gacha dreams unfold, every capsule tells a story, a tale yet untold. From Tokyo's neon lights to Kyoto's ancient grace, gacha fever spreads its wings in every corner, every place. Seasons changing, a love for gacha remains. In spring's cherry blossoms and winter's icy domains. With every capsule open, a piece of Japan we find. Gacha fever binds us, heart and mind. Lost in the rhythm of each gacha spin. A world of wonder drawing us in. With every Capsule, a man